Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. And let me start by asking you, have you seen the market moving on the higher side in spite of not having any single positive news? In fact, if you are following the US market, last 2 days US markets are in the red. In fact, Nasdaq was down by the lowest point of Nasdaq yesterday was around 1.5%. Not only US market, even the European markets are down, but our markets are resilient and going on the upside. Now, why am I saying this is because this is very, very hard. I wouldn't say it is very hard, it is very dangerous because tomorrow is a very important event. 10 a.m. to tomorrow morning, Shakti Ganda Das, our RBI Governor Shakti Ganda Das is going to come out and he is going to talk about the interest rate hike. Now, if he comes out and increases the interest rate maybe by 25 basis point or 50 basis point, which we really don't know, but 50 basis point increase is going to be a shock to the market. 25 basis point is already factored in. So I think markets are pricing in this action. I don't see any positive news for the markets to go on the higher side. So much of, in spite of global inflation, negative news, not negative news, I wouldn't say negative news, in spite of Federal Reserve and central banks all over the world want to increase the interest rate, reduce the inflation, market going up is not a good sign of good market. That's what I am thinking. Now, we really don't know what is going to happen. What I believe or what my perspective about the market is that maybe in 1 or 2 days we might come on the downside. Now, I have some perspective when it comes to charts. I have some perspective when I see some data, and I have some perspective when I see the open interest also. So looking at all these things which we are going to see in this video, what I think is maybe the market may slow down in coming 1 or 2 days. There can be a reversal or there can be a retracement. Now, I didn't expect the Nifty to go up beyond 17,500. In fact, Nifty is sitting above 17,500. 17,557 to be precise. Now I have drawn a trend line which is now the market or Nifty is exactly at this trend line. Now whether it is going to break this trend line and go forward or it is going to reverse, we really don't know. Probably since the market is bullish and every negative news is being factored into, see, there is no positive news for the markets to go on the higher side. Maybe that could be the reason why the market is going on the higher side. There is no negative news. That's why the market is going on the higher side. But we need more positive news for the market to go on the higher side. That is what I believe. So since there is no positive negative news, maybe the market is going on the higher side. Now let me show you something. I have told this previously also. If you see this chart, 9th March 2023, low was around 17,573 and we are sitting somewhere, Nifty is sitting at 17,557. Now this gap is very, very important. If it sustains above this gap, then we may see 18,000 or even 18,200 level. So we are just 20 or 30 points away from this gap. If this gap is being filled and if the market Nifty sustains above 17,600 levels, we may see market inching up towards 18,000 levels without any negative news. That's what I am thinking about. And in terms of Nifty, if you see Nifty, Bank Nifty has already formed a doji pattern. So if you see this chart or if you see here, today's candlestick or price action is a doji pattern, which means there is a reversal. In fact, if I change this time frame to 5 minutes time frame, what you will see is that Bank Nifty for at least half day today till I think even before Europe market was open, you were seeing Bank Nifty. You see the first 2 hours candlestick. One candlestick is green, next is red, next green, next red, next green, next red. But it was not volatile, but it was undecisive. It really didn't know where to go, whether on the higher side or on the lower side, and that exactly meets at our trend line setting. Now what I think is now doji pattern. Now if you change this time frame to a daily time frame, what is this called? A doji pattern, and the gap which was formed on March 10th is not yet filled. So in order to fill that gap, Bank Nifty has to sustain above 41,200. Now 41,000 is a high resistance in terms of open interest. If you go and see the open interest, which we will see in few minutes, 41,000 is having the highest open interest, which means people are writing huge number of calls at 41,000. Now I wouldn't say that open interest is very reliable. There are times where high open interest has been taken out very effectively. So open interest is not as reliable as we may think. So that's what I'm trying to say. So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen next. As of now, as I talk to you, even US futures are all kind of flat. It is in the red. Yesterday US market, which is Dow Jones, was down by around 400 points. Nasdaq was down by more than 1%. S&P 500 was down by 1%. Even now Europe is almost flat. So we'll have to wait and see tomorrow morning. And I don't know why these people are coming out with this FOMC, not FOMC, interest rate hike on a expiry day, right? Tomorrow is an expiry day. It is already volatile. Expiry days are already volatile. On top of that, these people, institutions come out and give some bad news or positive news. Then you don't have to imagine how much is going to be the volatility. So tomorrow 10 a.m. is going to be a very important time. So make sure you watch the news, or you can join our Telegram group where we share every detail of the market. Not only that, we share more about strategies and stock market and what is happening around. So it's a vibrant Telegram group. If you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below. And I'm sure FIA and FIA DI data wouldn't have come yet now. Let me check. I'm sure FIAs and DIs would have been maybe they would have bought in same quantity and sold in same quantity. It has not yet come. Latest data is around 3rd of April. Now, participant wise open interest. Now, if you are following us, you could remember last time it was 1,55,000 active contracts in index future short. You have to remember this. In spite of market moving on the higher side, FIAs are not reducing their short position. Still, they are in short only. Maybe there is some small amount of profit booking which retailers don't know. What is the problem of the retailers is that they wait till the market goes up and they sell on the top only. They go long on the top. Or when they want to sell the market, they wait till big candle and they sell at the bottom. Once they do this, market will reverse, and once they buy or go long, market will reverse. This is what is happening, and that is the advantage of retailer, institutions like FIAs and DIAs. Now, still they are having 162,529 active short contracts, which means they are still effectively having short positions. So don't forget this. And last but not the least, we'll also see how much what is happening in terms of open interest. This is Nifty's open interest, and 17,700 is having the highest open interest in terms of call option, and 17,000 is having the highest open interest in terms of put option. Literally, there was no calls being returned, and obviously you know the reason why. And Bank Nifty moved more than 200 plus points today itself. And in terms of Bank Nifty, as I told you, 40,000 is having the highest open interest in terms of call option, and the same strike 41,000 is having the highest open interest in terms of put option, which means people are writing short straddle at 41,000. So they believe there might be some movement. So this is a binary event. Tomorrow is a binary event. We really don't know which side that market might move. So be careful. And if you see historical data, 41,000 is having the highest open interest. Call side, if you see, 41,000 is having the highest open interest, and on the put side also 41,000 is having the highest open interest. Apart from that, 40,500 40,000, 39,000 is having the highest open interest on the put side. Now, what is the use? There is literally no premium at all, whether it is on the call side or whether it is on the put side. You do some, if you want to do some adjustment, and if the market moves violently, VIX shoots up drastically, means you are going to be in trouble. So just be careful, make sure you hedge your position properly. We also have some straddles, strangles across all strikes. So we'll see how things pan out. I think I have briefed much about the market. I hope you are in profit also this month. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.